I was
Do 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 do. Do 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 do. What? Only 5 goddamn pistols? Why you do more damage?
Hello, baddie.
Dude, I got all headshots with those incendiary sniper rounds. Just
That's bullshit. That's so much bullshit. God damn it.
God damn, Epic, why couldn't you be here?
I know.
You and your fucking squirrels.
Whatever. He'll be jelly. He'll be so jelly.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't even see my fucking thing.
That's what she said.
Shut up. I'm showing it. I'm going on my Steam profile. I'm just showing it. So you can see what the fuck that is.
Prefer to be scared.
That Lincoln with a boombox! Oh, yeah. Okay. This seems like a good situation in which to get... Oh, I still had 2 incendiary bullets.
Incendiary! Incendiary!
What do you think would be best for this part?
Sniper.
Eat my balls.
Sniper is never wrong. You just need a sniper and a melee weapon and you're set.
I love this part.
This part on the way back is so scary!
Yes! Because of the fucking monsoons. Or whatever they're
You
called.
move so slow and there's tanks chasing you.
Typhoons? Monsoons? What is it?
Monsoon.
A typhoon is like a storm. Like wind and all that, I believe. This is one of the worst maps to use pipe bombs because there's like the construction worker bubs. They're gonna get affected by them.
Still.
Although the worst.
I got an axe. I always wanted to be an axe murderer.
She barfed.
Bring it, Hunter! Bring it, Hunter!
You
Yeah!
guys long enough.
Balls of steel! I hear a witch. Oh shit, there's a witch. Okay.
You said shoot?
Crown her! Whoa, she just ran by me and Coach was like, whoa, fuck that. You fucking dumbass.
I just ran up and hit it with an axe.
Were you trying to crown her?
That is what you call an hero.
That is what you call and dumbass.
Dude.
I'm just
That's
following
awesome.
Strudel.
I'm surprised you made it across there, Kneepad.
Eat my balls. You know I can't platform in first-person games for shit. Or in third-person games. Or in platformer games. You know what? Just eat my balls.
Okay.
I'll savor them. Like a
Oh
pair of
god,
dumplings.
smoker! There's always that moment when it doesn't dawn on you yet how fucked you are. Oh, there's the badass drums.
It's my favorite room ever!
The safety room.
Yeah!
The room of not dying.
Yeah!
Shotgun or rifle?
Rifle.
Ew, it's the non-cool shotgun. Gay. Oh, funny story. When we first played this, you remember this. Seahorse went around this corner here that you're seeing. Like, he went like this. Can you imitate what you did? Oh shit, Charger!
See, there was a witch. You see where I'm standing right now? There was a
Yes.
witch right here. I went up to here and turned around.
No, you didn't turn around. You just fuck that. No. And I found you just sitting in here.
Word.
Which
It was the best. I'm getting a shotgun. I don't care.
Just didn't say a word, and he's like, "What are you doing?" And he goes around the corner and he's like, oh shit!
Yeah, exactly. Because you didn't say anything. I had no idea.
So bitch.
Asshole.
Right there. Someone said shoot.
I juked it. I don't care. That kiting! That kiting! That fucking kiting! That kiting skill!
You don't understand how hard I'm laughing at this playthrough. Ugh. It's just 'cause it's not as scary as the first time. It's just fucking funny.
I'm going all the way back because I want that assault rifle. I missed you, baby. Don't ever leave me.
That was great.
That fucking kiting skill.
That was great.
Oh no, it's Mr. Smiley. Hi, Mr. Smiley. Nobody shoot Mr. Smiley.
Where? Fuck you! Oh god!
Why the hell y'all keep shooting me?
Let's go, guys.
Man, I'm gonna start crying in a minute.
Ellis, you're so sensitive, Ellis.
It's a boomer eclipse. Let's try my kiting skills.
Do you remember how much of a hard time you had getting up here?
Let's. Once this horde ends, let's see if I can make it. Ah! Yeah! Yes! I am the ultimate winner! I need them pills. So bad.
There's a witch, like, right here. How did she climb up? She's so skinny, if she fell, she would break a bone.
She wants the sugar, bro. That's what they're here for, you know?
I thought it was the cocaine.
So what happened? I don't think it... Did it even get you? Was there even, like, an animation?
I don't know. It, like, it went to third
I think
person,
I
then
killed it
says, like,
instantly. I think I killed it instantly.
Oh!
Damn it! Oh god, there's two! Fire!
I shot him 2 witches?
Yes! Oh, and now there's fire.
I just...
Oh, the spitter goo! Ah!
With 2
Ah!
witches! 2 witches!
I have 2 health! Oh my god!
That was great.
That was terrifying!
2 witches! 2 witches!
I'll quit shooting you when you stop startling witches! Ow! Excuse me!
Yes, you are.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Troll level Nick.
Trollaho? What?
Troll level Nick. Oh crap.
Damn zombies. What the fuck?
Damn it! Parkour!
Stop.
This is just like Mirror's Edge. Mirror's Edge! Mirror's Edge! What? Woohoo! I'm the best around. Nothing's ever gonna get me down.
Hey,
What's up?
behind
I-
you.
Oh, hi. I platformed my way up here. You should be proud of me.
I just want a little, you know, love in this age.
Holy shit! What the fuck?
What happened? I wasn't looking.
What the fuck? Ow!
What happened? What happened? I looked away for like an instant and she
You
just...
one-shot a witch!
Right in
What?
the head with a shotgun.
What?
Seriously, guys.
I missed
You're
it.
Cereal. That was great. You're an idiot.
Damn it! Damn it, damn it, damn it, double damn.
Double down? Those things are good.
This thing's
I've never had
nuts.
one. Mostly cause I'm not fond of bacon. Which is retarded, I know.
What?
So retarded. Sorry.
Huh?
You, sir, must be burned at the stake.
I know! I don't know why I don't like bacon. Like, it's everything I love. Fatty, ham, just... I don't get why I don't like it, but every time I try bacon, the first bite is amazing, and every bite, it gets steadily worse from there. Until it's just, eh. And then it tastes like shit. Every single time.
You ever try jumping in an elevator?
It's weird, man. It gives you a really weird feeling when you do it.
You're falling farther than you expect to. That's the weird part.
Yeah.
Let's just run right... yeah, let's just follow this fucking pipe.
That's the best way to do it.
Oh god, the pipe ended. We're fucked. I'm just following you guys then.
So many witches. So many witches. So many witches. So many witches. Oh my goodness.
I didn't see any. I just ran straight.
I know, I didn't see any either. What the fuck? How many did you see?
8.
No way. Bullshit. If there were 8, we would have seen some.
She geared in. I love the M16. It's my favorite gun.
Oh yeah.
Damn it, you guys! I wanted to heal.